John, the race for sixth position in the Corporate Sports Welsh Premier League comes to a head this weekend. Obviously, covered on Scory over the weekend. How do you see it going?
Well, it's interesting really because there's still 5 clubs all shooting out for that 6th place, if you like. Even down as far as Aberystwyth, but they've got a tough game. They go to the New Saints at the weekend. And the New Saints obviously will want a response from losing to Carmarthen a few weeks ago in the World Cup. Carmarthen I see as favourites for it. I think they play Newtown at home, and under Mark Aislewood they've really come on as a team. And I think it's Connors Quay. They play at Bala, which is a difficult place to win. But Connors Quay and Carmarthen, it's in their own hands. If they win, it's just a case of how many goals. I think Connors Quay are 1 goal better than Carmarthen at the minute, but if I had to stick my neck out, I'd probably go with Carmarthen. But it's a fantastic weekend of football. You know, from a TV company perspective, you know, we'll be going from game to game. I'm sure the emotions the players will be asking the managers what's the latest score at this ground or that ground. And for that top 6, it's very important financially. The rewards, you know, are bigger than if they finish in the bottom 6. They play the top 5 teams. Very exciting places up, you know, in Europe up for grabs. And I'm sure it's going to be a great weekend of football.
John, be mae penthnos yma yn Uwch Gyngred Cymru Corporate Sports? Y ras am y chweched safle, sut ydych chi'n gweld i mynd?
Wel, mae'n penwythnos enfawr i'r gyngor i ddweud y gwir. Tymod, mae'n gred i ni fel cwmni y ffaith bod dal 5 tîm dal yn y mix am y safle chweched yn y gyngor. Tymod, i fi'n ffansio Carfyrddin, y ffaith bod nhw y tîm sydd yn fform gorau. Maen nhw newydd ennill Copan World. O'n nhw newydd curo Bala i ffwrdd yn Copan Cymru ar y penwythnos. Felly maen nhw gatre yn erbyn y dre newydd, fi'n gallu gweld nhw'n curo dre newydd. Mae Gap Cey Connor yn mynd i Bala sydd yn lle anodd i ennill. Ac hefyd mae Aberystwyth lan yn erbyn y pencampwyr sydd yw seintiau newydd. Felly os ych chi'n edrych arno popeth, falle byddai'n anghywir, fi'n bod yn anghywir o'r blaen. Ond fel dwedais i, mae'n mynd i bod yn penwythnos dydd Sadwrn cyffroes iawn. Fi'n siŵr bydd y chwaraewyr tyma bach yn nyrfys a gofyn i'r ochr i'r gyd o'r rheolwr beth sy'n digwydd, beth yw'r sgori, mynd ymlaen, mynd hyn. Ond ni edrych ymlaen am penwythnos enfawr iawn yn Uwch Gyngor Cymru.